Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure a perfect domain for your health and beauty business on your store on Shopify. So first of all you have to follow this setup guide. So here we are on the home page. So you have to set up you have to follow the setup guide. First of all you have to add your first product. Okay, so as you see here, you can add the title and description. The media you can add from URL or upload a new one, images or videos or 3D models. Here you can customize the price and options. Also here you can customize the inventory, the shipping. So that's it. After this, the next step is name your store. Before naming your store, you have to customize your online store. You can change the theme and you can add your logo, the colors, and image to reflect your brand. Okay. So just a quick edit here. You can change the theme. You can customize it right here. So here you can you can choose your favorite one. So that's it. After this, you have to name your store. Okay. For example, for the beauty and health business, and here you can add the store name, store phone. After this, let's move on to the next step. So here you have to set your shipping rates. After this, you have to set up a payment provider, and the last one is place a test order. So that's it. So now you have to fix this settings right here. So start from the store details. Here you can manage the profile, the store currency, the time zone, and units of measurements. Also here we have the plan. You can choose a plan you like. Okay, so as you see, you can select the basic or select Shopify advanced. So all of them you have to just $1 for your first month. Okay, so after this we have here the billing. So here you can add the payments method. So here you can enter your information, the card number, the expires. You can enter the country and the region, the first name and the last name, the address. So after this you have to add the credit card. So that's it. Here we have the users and the permissions. Okay, so as you see here, manage what users can see or what do in your store. So here you can compare plans. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. So as you see here, you can choose provider. So you can choose the payments providers. Here you can manage the payments capture method. So here we have the checkout. So as you see here, you can manage the customer contact method, the phone or the email. Here you can manage the customer information, your full name, your company name, the address line, the shipping address, the marketing options and the shipping, the address collection preferences. Okay, here you have to add the additional scripts, and after this you have to save it and move on to the next section. Okay, so now let's move on to the domains. So today we have to focus on which domain you have to buy. So here you have to search your domain. So for example, today we talk about beauty and health business. So for example, so as you see here, you can buy a domain, and also you can choose other results. You can pay more or less or whatever you like. Also here you have to pay $15 for a year. So you can, for example, buy it. So you have to go back to the billing and customize it. I didn't customize it because I just explained to you what you have to do. So that's it. Here we have the market. Here you can add a market. Okay, so you can add the market you like from the North Africa or from Africa. um, Here we have the brand. So as you see here, you can add the logo, default logo or square logo. Here you can add the primary colors, the secondary color, the cover image. Here you can add the short description. Okay, so now let's move on to the notification. Let's move on. So as you see here, this is the notifications. You can customize them right here. So you can customize the notifications, the staff notifications, the fulfillment request notification. Here we have the custom data. Okay, so here you can add a custom piece of data that to a specific part of your store, like products or variants or collections, customers. um, Now let's move on to the customer privacy. So here you can manage the privacy settings, the privacy policy, or cookie banner, data sales opt-out page. Here also you can manage the marketing settings. Here if you wanna choose or add a new language, you can select your language. Okay. Here if you wanna custom events, you can add a custom pixel. So here you can add the pixel name. So that's it. So after you're done, you can just launch your store and publish it. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.